Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. and Mrs. English Studio, where learning English is easy, fun, and stress-free.
Hello, friends. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mira. We are so happy to see you again today.
Yes, thank you for joining us. Are you ready to practice English?
Don't worry if you are a beginner. This lesson is very easy and very useful.
That's right. Today, we are going to talk about something we use every day.
Something very simple.
Something very important.
The weather. We will use short sentences and easy words.
And we will speak slowly so you can understand clearly.
So relax, smile, and learn with us.
Let's start our easy English conversation.
Let's talk about the weather. Alex, how's the weather today?
Oh, the weather today is very nice. It's sunny and warm.
That's good to hear. Is it hot or just warm?
Not too hot. It's warm and comfortable.
Oh, nice. Is it windy today?
A little bit. The wind is soft, not strong.
Good. Is it cloudy or clear?
It's clear. The sky is blue.
Wow, that sounds like a perfect day. Alex, is it raining today?
No, it's not raining today. But it may rain later. Oh,
Oh, really? Do I need an umbrella?
maybe yes. It's always good to be ready.
Ha ha, you're right.
Let's practice some easy questions.
You can ask, how's the weather today?
What's the weather like?
Is it hot today?
Is it cold outside?
Is it raining? Very easy, right?
Now you can ask your friends about the weather.
Yes, try it today.
Practice every day and your English will get better.
Let's move to the next part. Alex, it's very sunny today.
Yes, ha! The sun is bright and the sky is blue.
Sunny weather makes me feel happy.
Me too. When it's sunny, I feel active and fresh. Hee.
Is it warm or hot today?
It's warm, not too hot. Very comfortable weather.
Oh, perfect. I don't need a jacket today. Ha ha ha.
Yes, just a light shirt is enough.
What do you like to do on sunny days?
I like to go for a walk.
Oh, nice. I like to sit in the park and enjoy the sun.
Sunny weather is great for photos.
Yes, smile for the camera.
Sunny days give me positive energy.
Same here. I feel relaxed and cheerful.
No rain, no cold, no problem. Hee.
Exactly. Sunny weather is the best.
Let's practice some easy sentences.
Repeat after me.
It is sunny today.
It is sunny today.
The weather is warm.
The weather is warm.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
I like sunny weather.
I like sunny weather.
Very easy.
Now you can talk about sunny weather in English.
Practice these sentences every day.
Let's move to the next weather type. Oh, Alex, it's raining today.
Yes, I can hear the rain. The weather is rainy and cool.
I like the sound of rain. It's very relaxing.
Me too. Rainy weather makes me feel calm.
Is the rain heavy or light?
It's light rain, not heavy.
Oh, good. Heavy rain can be messy.
Yes, the sky is cloudy and gray today.
What do you do on rainy days?
I stay inside and drink hot tea.
Nice. I read a book and watch the rain.
Don't forget your umbrella.
Oh, yes, very important.
Rainy weather is peaceful.
Yes, but sometimes it feels a little lazy.
Rain makes me want to sleep.
Same here.
Let's practice some easy sentences.
Repeat after me.
It is raining today.
The weather is rainy.
The sky is cloudy.
I need an umbrella.
Very good.
Rainy weather can be nice and calm.
Yes, every weather is special.
Let's talk about another type of weather. Brr. Alex, it's very cold today.
Oh, yes. Ha! The weather is cold and chilly.
I feel cold even inside the house.
Me too. Cold weather makes me shiver.
Is it very cold or just a little cold?
It's very cold today. The wind is strong and cold.
Oh no, the sky looks gray too.
Yes, winter days are often cloudy.
What do you wear in cold weather?
I wear a jacket, a sweater, and a scarf.
Wow, very warm. I also wear gloves.
Good idea. Cold hands are the worst.
What do you like to do when it's cold?
I like to drink hot coffee or tea.
Oh, yes. Hot drinks are perfect in cold weather.
And I like to stay at home.
Same here. Warm and cozy.
Cold weather makes me feel sleepy.
Me too. But I also like winter sometimes.
Yes, winter can be beautiful.
Let's practice some easy sentences.
Repeat after me.
It is cold today.
The weather is chilly.
I am wearing a jacket.
I like hot drinks.
Very good.
Now you can talk about cold weather in English.
Great job. Let's move to the next weather topic. Oh my. Alex, it's very hot today.
Yes. The weather is hot and sunny.
I feel tired because of the heat.
Me too. Hot weather makes me feel slow.
Is it a little hot or very hot?
It's very hot today. The sun is strong.
Oh no, the air feels warm everywhere.
Yes, even the wind is hot.
What do you wear in hot weather?
I wear light clothes, like a t-shirt.
Same here. Light clothes are more comfortable.
and I wear a cap outside.
Good idea. What do you like to do in hot weather?
I drink a lot of water.
Me too. Cold drinks are the best in summer.
I stay inside in the afternoon.
Yes, the sun is too strong then.
Hot weather makes me feel lazy.
Same here, but I like summer evenings.
Oh, yes. Evenings are cooler and nice.
Let's practice some easy sentences.
Repeat after me.
It is hot today.
The weather is very hot.
I am wearing light clothes.
I drink cold water.
Great job.
Now you can talk about hot weather in English.
You are doing amazing.
Let's move to the next part of our lesson.
Now, let's learn some simple weather words.
Yes, these words are very easy and very useful.
Don't worry. Let's go slowly.
First word, sunny.
Sunny means the sun is shining.
Example, it is sunny today.
Very easy.
Next word, rainy.
Rainy means it is raining.
Example, it is rainy today.
Don't forget your umbrella.
Next word, cloudy.
Cloudy means there are many clouds in the sky.
Example, the sky is cloudy.
No sun today. Aw.
Next word, cold.
Cold means low temperature.
Example, it is cold today.
Wear a jacket.
Next word, hot.
Hot means high temperature.
Example, it is hot today.
Drink water.
Another word, windy.
Windy means there is a lot of wind.
Example, it is windy today.
My hair is flying. Let's practice together.
Repeat after me.
Sunny,
Sunny,
rainy,
rainy,
cloudy,
cloudy,
cold,
cold,
hot,
hot,
windy.
windy.
Great job.
These are simple weather words.
You can use them every day.
Practice a little every day.
Let's continue our weather conversation. Well, Alex, that's all for today.
Yes, we talked about many weather words.
Sunny, rainy, cold, and hot.
Very good. You did a great job.
When you finish a conversation, you can say,
It was nice talking to you.
or have a nice day.
Very simple and very polite.
Don't forget to smile.
Thank you so much for watching.
We are very happy to learn English with you.
Keep practicing every day.
A little practice makes big progress.
If you like this video, please like and share it.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. and Mrs. English Studio.
Press the bell icon to get new videos.
So you never miss a lesson.
See you in the next video.
Take care and keep smiling. Bye-bye.